This video is intended for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Thumbnails are created to catch attention and may not accurately represent the actual content of the video. Content includes opinions and information gathered from public sources and personal parenting experience. We do not claim full accuracy. This video does not intend to target, defame, or disrespect any individual or organization. I am not a licensed child psychologist or family therapist. Always use your own judgment about what's appropriate for your children and consult a professional if you have concerns about a child's anxiety or well-being. The views expressed here are my own. This content is meant to spark thoughtful reflection, not to tell you what is right or wrong. Please watch with an open mind. Thank you for being part of our prepping family. Dollar Tree isn't just cheap snacks and party supplies. It's quietly one of the best places to build a prep stockpile for almost nothing. These 15 items are what experienced preppers grab by the cartload before anyone else catches on. Number 9 is one people walk right past every time. If you're new here, I cover practical, low-cost preparedness. No bunkers, no fear-mongering, just smart moves anyone can make on a real budget. Subscribe if that's your thing. Let's get into the list. Item 15, reading glasses, cheap backups for anyone who wears glasses. If yours break in an emergency, a 125 pair means you're not stuck unable to read labels, maps, or medication instructions. Item 14, rain ponchos, disposable, packable, and a real layer of protection in wet conditions. Grab several. They're light enough to keep one in every bag you own. Item 13, lighters. Fire starting is non-negotiable in any emergency plan. At this price, there's no excuse not to have 5 or 6 spread across your kits, car, and home. Item 12, hand warmers, seasonal but critical for cold weather emergencies. A few packs cost less than a fast food meal and can prevent real medical issues in a power outage in winter scenario. Item 11, cotton balls and petroleum jelly. Together, these make one of the cheapest, most effective fire starters that exist. Preppers know this combo. Most shoppers walk right past both items separately. Item 10, bandanas. Multi-purpose doesn't get cheaper than this. Dust mask, tourniquet backup, waterproof filter, signal flag. Grab a handful in different colors. Item 9, water purification tablets. This is the one most people miss entirely. Dollar Tree carries basic purification tablets for a fraction of outdoor store pricing. Genuinely one of the best value survival items in the entire store. Item 8, duct tape repairs, sealing, first aid, shelter. Duct tape is on every serious prepper list, and here it costs a quarter of retail price. Item 7, batteries, basic AAA multi-packs. Not the longest lasting on the market, but for rotating stock and flashlights and radios, the price makes them worth grabbing regularly. Item 6, first aid basics, gauze, tape, antiseptic wipes. Building a first aid kit item by item here costs a fraction of buying a pre-made kit, and you control exactly what's in it. Item 5, canned goods, beans, vegetables, and soups. Dollar Tree's canned food section rotates often, but it's a legitimate way to add shelf-stable calories to your pantry for almost nothing. Item 4, manual can openers. An easy item to forget until you need one. Keep 2 or 3 spread across kits. They're small, cheap, and irreplaceable if you don't have one. Item 3, trash bags. Not contractor grade, but perfectly good for general waste, insulation, and quick waterproofing in a pinch. Buy in bulk. Item 2, notebooks and pencils. When phones die, paper doesn't. Keep a notebook and pencil in every kit for notes, plans, and communication. Item 1, candles, rounding out the list. The basic candles are cheap, reliable backup light that doesn't depend on batteries at all. Stock a dozen, they cost almost nothing and last a long time in storage. That's $15 tree items that punch way above their price tag. None of this requires a big budget, just a few trips and a little planning. If you want a full low-cost prep checklist, I've got a guide linked below. Subscribe for more lists like this and tell me in the comments what you'd add. Stay ready, not scared.